Scott, private equity has been rocky for about the past 4 years. What's your outlook on that?
I think we really believe that there's an opportunity to create substantial value now in the next few years ahead. The last 3 or 4 years has been rocky, but many of the larger firms have made great progress in refinancing balance sheets and therefore strengthening companies to give them more opportunity to take advantage of a better environment. And there's a lot of corporate cash on the sidelines. So our view is that we should come in, if we see some fiscal stability, into a better period where there are interesting opportunities for strategic exits and where there are ways to get back to some growth with some of our companies.
In terms of the financing markets, what's your outlook on that?
Well, I think everyone knows the markets are incredibly volatile today and quite choppy. Our belief is that a tougher financing market favors private equity. That the better the financing market, the higher the multiples, the cheaper the leverage, the more we all pay for things. And so as investors, a difficult financing market actually creates opportunity for the best private equity firms to buy a little bit better, and that's attractive.
You mentioned a positive outlook that you're holding towards the private equity industry. Are you seeing that with your peers?
I think we are. When I said I was positive, what I'm positive about is I think we are more value added than ever before. I mean, the theme of the conference today was about transformation from financial engineering to operational organizational transformation. And they're nice words, but the capability of private equity to really engage in that is far greater than it ever was because of the kinds of people that we've all invested in our organizations and the skill sets that we brought in and the way we've changed how our businesses go to market, how our businesses make investments, how our businesses do what we do, very substantially from where we were 5 or 10 years ago.
So think positive and think globally.
Well, I hope it's not Pollyannish because there are plenty of problems, and I could certainly talk about the issues and problems in the world, the fiscal issues in Europe, some of the fiscal challenges in the U.S., but we do believe that there's a path through for the U.S. to greater stability, and that when that happens, there's really pent-up demand in terms of acquisition appetite, cash, and so forth, that I think will drive a pretty interesting M&A environment for the next few years.